Welcome to the Rig and Farm YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be assembling, using, and reviewing the EarthWay seeder. The instructions were a little confusing because you have to flip back and forth between pages to see the illustrations that are referenced in the directions. The first step is inserting the axle through the wheel and following that with the bolt. Just hand tighten the nut for now. Next, put the handle in place and attach it with the two bolts and lock nuts on one side, and then repeat the process on the other side. Use a socket wrench and pliers to tighten all four lock nuts, and then go back to tighten the nut on the wheel. The handle bracket easily snaps into place without the use of any fasteners. The plastic cleavage pin pops into the small hole on the bottom of the row marker shaft. Use the hairpin clip to hold it in place. Slide the row marker onto the shaft and use the bolt and wing nut to secure it. The EarthWay seeder comes with 6 different size seed plates. We're planting bi-color sweet corn and chose the aptly named sweet corn plate. It fits into the hopper and twists to lock in place. Now we're going to pour in our seeds and get started. The sweet corn plate places one seed every 7.2 inches as the seeder is pushed along the soil. The row marker drags along the ground to draw a line to follow for your next row. The wing nut is loosened to slide the marker to your desired distance and tightened to hold its place. Flip it over when going back the other direction. This chain pulls a small amount of soil to cover your seed as you go down the row. Overall, we were very happy with the performance of the EarthWay seeder. It made planting seeds go quickly, especially since it did all the measuring for the spacing. This was our first time using it, so anything that didn't work really well was probably due to user error. We'll use the seeder for many more plant varieties in the near future and make an update video afterward. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and watch for how well our corn grows after being planted with this time-saving device. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.